Welcome back. My name is Nigel Schroeter, and today we are going to talk specifically about your FICO risk score. This is one of those credit secrets that a lot of you may not know, and this is going to tell you why you could have a high credit score and still be getting denied for credit. So, if that interests you, please make sure that you hit that like button right now and share this video out to others so that they can get this information. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know if there's any topics that you want more information on. Now, let's get straight into it. So today we're talking about a point-based expression of risk analysis, right? So what does that mean, right? The FICO risk score is a point-based expression. So it's just that all that means is it's showing us numbers that are going to tell us a risk analysis or how likely you are not to pay the bank back, your likelihood to default. So that's all your FICO risk analysis is based upon how recently you've applied for credit, how much you've got approved for, how much of that you've used, how much money you make, and typical people in your demographics, rather that be age, whether that be similar similar economic class, rather that be similar credit utilization or amount of available credit, how likely you are to default based upon what they've seen in the past and what they've seen other people doing with similar profiles. Now, why is it important to know about this FICO risk score? It's important to know about this score, one, because it's not often displayed. Most of the time, we do not see our FICO risk score unless, we pay for My FICO or one of these other services, and banks never show us this score. Why is that? It's because the more that we know about these systems, the more that we're able to maneuver and manipulate these systems. So if you knew exactly how often to apply to a bank without looking like a risk, it would surely improve your odds of getting approved. It would improve your odds of applying for the proper products that are going to suit you and fit your profile and not raise your risk score. And it's going to definitely allow you more opportunities at obtaining credit. So once again, your FICO risk score, by it being your likelihood to default, is going to be able to trigger denials for you. Now, the other reason why the score isn't so blatantly displayed is because this score can affect your interest rates. So, okay, maybe, you're moderately likely to default. All right, we're going to give you a moderate interest rate. You have a low likelihood to default, so we're going to give you a low interest rate. You have a high likelihood to default, so we want to deter you from getting the loan, as well as make sure that we get as much of our money up front as possible. So we're going to give you a high interest rate. So by seeing these different processes and understanding them, this is going to gravely allow you to understand your FICO scores and better, as well as why you're getting approved and denied, even when you have high scores or someone may have a lower credit score than you. So as always, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.